What are you thinking? You pray something to do with your heels.
Yes, Baba.
Huh?
It's Baba. Baba.
Hey, Ega. So you have a medication that you are taking.
Yes, Baba.
Concerning the heel.
Yes, Baba.
Now,
How do you see that, people of God? Come on, somebody, come on, somebody, come on, somebody.
yeah.
For the past 3 months,
okay.
this heel.
What is this?
On top of the pills that I was taking, I was also applying this on my heel. And this morning I said, I'm not going to apply it because I'm going into the presence of my Father. But I said, I'll carry it in my pocket.
So it was in your
When you
pocket?
were talking to me, yes, it was right here. When you were talking to me, I couldn't even remember.
Dreams of gold.
Yes. Many of them, Baba.
Yeah. Now. Yana zingade kesha ngobana. Jesus.